It says Mathematics Selina 9th Standard ICSE syllabus. Let's discuss something on congruency of triangles. Before understanding congruency of triangles, let's understand certain concepts. If ABC is a triangle and from any vertex if a line is drawn to other side of a triangle, if it divides its sides into two equal parts, then this line is called a median. The similar way, in case if I draw a triangle like this, PQR, and in case if I am going to draw a line from P to Q, in P joining the line QR, and if I am going to call this point X and QX, if it is equal to XR, then we can say that PX is a median of a triangle. Alright. Now let's try to understand certain rules of congruency. When two triangles are said to be congruent, then two triangles are said to be congruent. That means to say, if triangle ABC and PQR is said to be congruent in case if sides AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and AC is equal to PR. If this condition is met, then we can say that these two triangles are said to be congruent. But these are not only the condition, there are other conditions also to say that the triangles are said to be in congruency. What are the conditions? Let's understand the rules. Rule number 1, we call it as SAS. Okay. When we say SAS, it says that if the triangle ABC and triangle PQR is said to be in congruence if AB and PQ are equal, and if the condition, if this angle B, ABC, the angle B is equal to angle PQR, and BC is equal to QR. Please understand the important concept: side included angle and side included angle, side. In case if you don't get this concept, then it is not said to be congruent. For example, in case we say that in triangle ABC, if AB and you say PQR, in case AB is equal to PQ and AC is angle ACB is equal to PQR and BC is equal to QR, then these two triangles are not said to be congruent because this is side, and angle, so it should not form a congruency. Here you find side, angle, side, which is side included angle, side. Only under that condition this will follow the congruency rule. Now let's try to understand the other part of the congruency. What it says is the SSS rule. SSS rule, in case if the triangle ABC and PQR is said to be incongruent if AB is equal to QR, any one side, it doesn't matter, you need to put this in order, that's all. BC is equal to QR and AC is equal to PR. Now the condition is three sides of a triangle are said to be congruent if three sides of the triangle ABC and PQR, if the sides are equal, then we can say that the triangles are said to be congruent. Now the other rule. It's called ASA rule. ASA rule is angle included side and angle. Now in case we take a triangle ABC and PQR, in case we say that this angle is the angle, and here I have one more angle Q, and this side, for example, AB is equal to QR, and angle B is equal to angle P. No problem. Now angle included side angle, angle included side angle. So we can say that these two triangles are said to be congruent. Now based on this examples, let's do exercise 9A. First question: in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB equal to DE and BC equal to EF, and angle B equal to angle E. Now this is the first question. Let's try to understand this. Let's draw two triangles ABC and triangle DEF. Now what they are telling, AB is equal to DE. So let's draw this. BC is also equal to EF. BC is equal to EF, and angle B equal to angle E. Angle B equal to angle E. Now we can say that side included angle side, side included angle side. Now rule of SAS, we can say triangle ABC is congruent. The congruent symbol is two lines equal to undersigned like this, triangle DEF. Now please remember one important thing, that we cannot write DEF directly like this, so we need to write this triangle ABC. Set the order right for the second. The first triangle you can write the way you want, but the second triangle you need to make sure that you need to set this in order. So dash dash dash. Now look at this angle B. First, if there is any angle, first thing let me try to attack the angle. If angle B is there, I have angle E. Angle B is in what? Second position. So and therefore E should be in my second position. And what are the other things they are telling? AB is equal to DE. AB should be equal to DE. So I can write here DE. Now two checks are done and automatically this will be in place. So we can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Let's look at the next question. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle B equal to angle E, which is equal to 90 degrees. AC is equal to DF and BC is equal to EF. Now one of the angle is 90 degrees, so let's do this angle triangle ABC. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees given, and triangle DEF, triangle DEF, angle E is equal to 90 degrees. Now what they are telling, AC is equal to DF. So AC is the hypotenuse, DF is also, this is equal to, AC is equal to DF. BC is also equal to EF. BC is also equal to EF. Now there is one more rule which is called as Rhs rule, then hypotenuse of a triangle is equal to the other triangle, and any one side, this is the special condition, and any one side of other triangle is equal, then the triangle is said to be congruent. Now let's try to put this in order. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle dash dash dash. Now look at the condition. Condition is angle B. Angle B is equal to angle D. Angle B is in second position. So we can have the second position as E. AB is in first and second position, but that has nothing to do with any equality sign. Doesn't matter. Now look at BC. BC is equal to what? EF. BC is equal to EF. E is in second position, so I can write F in the third position. BC second and third position, EF second and third position. Now what is left out? D. So now I can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Now look at this question number 3, C part, that is first question C part. In triangle ABC and triangle QRP, AB is equal to QR. Given angle B is equal to angle R, that's also given, and angle C is equal to angle P, that is also given. Now we can apply the rule of angle side, that combination of the rule, and we can say that this triangle is said to be incongruent. So we can say angle side, angle and side. So we cannot say side angle, that is not, or side angle. No, side angle is not the right one. Angle side is the right one. Now let's try to, now since it is incongruent, so let's try to set it in order. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle dash dash dash. Now good thing is we have two angles. When we have two angles, let's try to fix the angle. Angle B is in second position, is equal to angle R, that is in second position, so I'll put it in second position. Angle C is in third position, angle P is in third position here. If this one is P, now I can say this is QRP. Now triangle ABC is congruent to triangle QRP. Now most of the cases you will be thinking, oh, ABC, QRP, it's all equal, but generally when you get into a little advanced problems, we need to make sure that we need to set this in order. The setting of order is very important. So when we go further, we will not discuss about the setting of order, and we need to make sure that this setting of order plays a very important, otherwise the problems can go wrong. Now I was telling you, like, we need to set this in order. The first triangle we can take the way we want. Now let's try to understand how we need to set this triangle in order. Understanding concept, this will be better. Instead of taking ABC, I will take triangle CBA. No, CBA is also a triangle, so we can consider that, isn't it? So we can say they are congruent to triangle dash dash dash. Why we are saying congruent? Because three sides of a triangle are equal, and therefore it is congruent. Now let's try to understand. AB is equal to PQ, but AB or BA is in second position and third position, and say similar way I can write this in second position or third position. So how I can write this? I can write this as B is the second part, so I write Q and P here. But this is not the thing. What is that we said? We need to do it for two checks. This is the first check. Let's look at the other check. BC is in first and second and third position, CB or BC. Now CB or BC is equal to what? Q, R. So already Q is set in place, so I'll put R here. So I can say triangle CBQ A is congruent to RQP. You can write the triangle the way you want and set the triangle. If you write ABC, we need to write AB is equal to PQ. So you write this, not a problem. And then the next one, the similar way. In case if I write this as triangle ABC is congruent to triangle dash dash dash. See, the reason I explained to you this is the main concept is we need to understand if you get a different size, mostly that's what you will get in the exams also, and we need to make sure that we need to set this in order. Now look at this AB PQ. If I write PQ directly, and BC is what equal to QR. Q is already there, PQR. So you will be in a position to set this in order. In case if they ask, okay, triangle CBA is congruent to what, then you need to set this in order. Now look at this question. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, BC is equal to QR. Okay, angle A is 90 degrees, but in the other triangle they are not told which angle is 90 degrees. So we cannot assume that it is right angle triangle. But angle C is equal to angle R. Angle C is equal to angle R. And you don't know about this angle, but they told angle Q is equal to 50 degrees. Now, the moment they told this is equal to 50 degrees, now automatically using angle sum property, we can say that angle P will also be equal to 90 degrees. Why? Sum of angles of all the triangles will sum up to 180 degrees. That means angle P plus angle Q plus angle R should be equal to 180 degrees. Now P is given, P is not given, Q and R is given. This is 40 plus 50 is equal to 180. So angle P is equal to what? 180 minus 90, and therefore angle P equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Now with this information we can say that these two triangles are right angle triangle, and the right angle triangle, now you can say angle side angle, angle side angle, A theorem, this will work. Okay. Now you can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle dash 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 angle. First try to set the angle. Two angles, automatically third will fall in place. Now we need to also understand when three angles are equal, A, then also we can say they are congruent. Okay. Now this angle will also be equal to 50 degrees, because if this angle sum property has to be 90, because this is a right angle triangle and I have 40, and therefore this angle has to be 50 degrees. Now let's try to set the angle. Angle A is equal to 90 degrees, angle P is equal to 90 degrees. Now angle C is equal to angle R, angle C is equal to angle R. Angle B is equal to angle Q, angle B is in second position, Q. And therefore we can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. In the next thing we will start continuing with the second problem onwards in exercise 9A. Thank you.